How to log out of Snapchat ID from other devices. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log out Snapchat ID from other devices. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on two-factor authentication to make your account more secure. Then tap Continue, and after that, tap Let's Do It to begin setting it up. Now tap on Text Verification and follow the steps to link your phone number. This helps in managing your devices. After that, go back and tap on the authentication app. You will see options like Set up automatically or Set up manually. First, tap on Set up manually, then scan the QR code and tap Continue. Now go back again and try Set up automatically. Tap Continue and follow the steps. You might see suggested accounts. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add one. Enter a label, username, or password if needed. Then, go back to text verification. Enter your phone number and type in the verification code you receive. Tap Continue, then take a screenshot and tap Save Screenshot. After that, tap Next. Finally, scroll down in Settings and tap on Forget Devices. Here, you can log out of all other devices that are signed in to your Snapchat account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.